hi. Welcome back to the garden. That's what we got last night, and that was the third straight night of rain. Don't be deceived by deep mulch. And what I mean by that is it breaks down so fast, it's not going to be nearly as thick as you think it is. Now, I've been keeping an eye on this one little spot. I wanted to show you. So we're going to go ahead and have to add a little more mulch. I also want to show you what the ground looks like underneath a bale of hay that's just been sitting on the ground. When it is 4 inches thick or thicker, just look at the worms. Thank you. When it's at least 4 inches thick or thicker, it stops all germination underneath it. And on the way over there, let's take a look at this cantaloupe. I don't want to be deceived and have it fall and bust. Now this might go one more day, but where it was just orange here, it's now orange all the way across. And I see the telltale ring. Come take a look. Now it starts making a ring right here between the stem. That could have maybe lasted one more day, but it was about ready to fall. I bet it's done. Normally I go through the gate, but look at that giant watermelon. And we've got sweet potato vines and watermelon vines all tying me in. That rainstorm last night knocked over that amaranth. Yep, it took it right through the squash. Well, that's gardening for you. So our third bay right over here for the compost is the perfect spot to start loading in this hay. I don't think I mean, it hit a couple leaves, but it didn't hit the main stalk. I think we're okay. Now, the reason we toss that hay over there, the reason I'm talking about the deep mulch and not to be deceived, is I saw this coming up a couple days ago, and I wanted it to get big enough that we could actually look at it. We got a little grass growing right here. We got grass growing here because that mulch is not 3 inches thick. That mulch is not 4 inches thick. That mulch is not an inch thick. So don't let your mulch deceive you. Because it breaks down from the bottom, it's very hard to see exactly how deep it is. Once you start seeing some grass coming up through here like this, you know it's time to add more mulch. And this stuff comes out real easy. I mean, it hasn't established. With the rain that we had, that pops right out of there. Now, I didn't say I didn't weed, I just said I didn't like to weed. And so we've taken care of this little area. Put this mulch back, which really isn't much of anything. So then we lay it in there that thick. Go. We freshened up the mulch. This is a walkway, so you can walk on it. We're good to go. Went ahead and planted potatoes in this bag, I believe in May. I think it's time to see what we're going to get. I think the best way to do this is just to dump it out. See what we get. I do like these bags. They held up real nice. Let's see if we got any potatoes. Well, look at that. That's not too bad. Let's see if we got any more. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Potatoes in a bag. There's some nice ones. Let's see what the whole harvest is going to be. Oh, look at that. Gotta love that. See if the, oh, look at that. These little ones, I really love these little ones. These little ones in a roast are just wonderful. on the heat that we had, starting late, we more than doubled our seeds. So you can grow potatoes in a bag, no problem. That is wonderful. We got a new member. Kathleen bought Riley a treat. Riley wanted to come out and say thank you. If you want to become a member of our community, just hit that join button. You'll be involved in everything that we do, and I sure do appreciate it. Say thank you. Riley thanks you for the treat. I thank you for the support. If you want to learn a little bit more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and we'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to learn a bit about living soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Good boy. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.